How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to grow a beard at 14 years old. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comments section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So the first tip, the biggest tip I can give you guys is to be patient. Patience is the key if you want to see results. If you are already starting to grow a little bit of facial hair and you are trimming it or shaving it every day or a few times a week, you need to refrain from doing this. What I recommend doing is leaving your beard for at least 2 months. Let your hairs grow for the first 2 months without trimming or shaving it. Even if you don't have much hair at all, leave it for the full 2 months. After that, you will have a realistic idea of what you are dealing with for a beard. After that, you can start to shave it again regularly. Tip 2 is make sure to wash your beard regularly. When your beard is growing, skin cells can become trapped inside of your beard. This can make things very itchy for your surrounding hairs. I recommend washing it in the morning and at night with a special beard cleaner. I will put a link in the description box for you guys to purchase this product. Tip 3 is make sure that you are getting the proper nutrients in. Your beard will grow just like your muscles, and that is from the protein and the fats. For protein, I recommend proteins such as chicken, whey protein, Greek yogurt, and cottage cheese, and beef. For fats, you want to make sure your fats are healthy, such as avocados, olive oil, salmon, eggs, and cashews. Understand about genetics. This is the 4th tip. I have seen some crazy genetics before where there will be a kid who is 13 years old who has almost a full-grown beard down to here, you guys. Now, some people just have good genetics when it comes to growing beards, you guys. So if you see them, don't get discouraged. A lot of us can't grow beards like this. Even me at the age of 25, you guys, I still can only grow a decent beard. My beard is not as thick as some 16-year-olds who have crazy good genetics, so don't get discouraged at all, my friends. And I actually just shaved my beard. You guys can kind of see some of my stubble, and yeah, this is just a day growing back already. So I can grow a decent beard. I try to keep just a chin strap just because I don't like having the full beard. Tip 5 is try out vitamins to help speed up beard growth. The best vitamins are going to be multivitamins and fish oil pills. I highly recommend giving these vitamins a go. I will also put a link in the description box if you guys want to buy a beard cleaning product. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.